Hi, today we'll talk about relative market rank. Let's first add it to the screen. Click on Signal. Select relative market rank 1 month to 1 year. Relative market rank shows how strong a stock is compared to all other stocks in the market. It is measured from 0 to 100. We calculate performance over 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Then we combine these periods into a score. The higher the score, the stronger the stock. For example, look at Tesla. The white line shows the 1-month relative market rank. You can see how the white line is leading. The 1-month score reached 97 to 98. This means Tesla outperformed almost all other stocks. The 3-month, 4-month, and 6-month scores were also very high. Then the white line collapsed. The 1-month relative market rank dropped sharply. You can see a big downward move over 1 month, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, and 1 year. This shows that investors rotated money away from Tesla. The stock's momentum weakened as a result. Let's look at a real-time example. Google has high relative market rank. 1-month and 3-month scores are 91. 6-month score is 84. 1-year score is 83. All lines are high. This clearly shows strong momentum and investor demand. So, use relative market rank to spot strong stocks early, follow money flow, and make smarter trading decisions. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.